Hi, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how I created this beautiful pink and purple shimmery mermaid tail design with all of the bling. So let's get into it. So I'm going to be using Madam Glam's treasure book. It's this pretty pink shimmery like holographic like glitter polish, and I'm just going to show you guys that's one coat of it. You can definitely see all that shimmer, and there's the second coat and you can see the hollow in there. It's so pretty. And then I also use Science Lab. It's like the same but in a purple shade, and you can really see those hollow flakes in there. And I don't know why I didn't show the second coat, but second coat's bomb too. So I'm gonna start by doing my V-tips, and I'm just gonna mark the middle of the nail and where I want that V-tip to lie. And then I go in with my liner brush and create the V-tips. And I do flip it upside down just to make sure that it's straight from different angles. Make sure I have the lines even. And I'm drawing a line down the middle because I'm going to be doing an ombre with the two colors. So I just drew a line down the middle, and then I filled it in one side with the purple, and then I have another brush that I'm going to be filling in the other side with that pink shimmer. And that's essentially how I did the V-tips. Just did a simple V-tip and ombre for the two colors. And then for the mermaid tail, what I did was I used a matte top coat on the nails that I planned on having the mermaid tail. And then I used a regular pencil and just drew or did the outline of the mermaid tail. And then I went in with the gel polish and went over that pencil outlining with this. Okay, so now that I'm happy with the outline, I'm just gonna go in and fill in the mermaid tail design with the gel polish, the two different gel polishes. And I want them to be, you know, like an ombre, no real rhyme or reason for the pattern. So I just filled it in however my heart wanted to do it. And feel free to make your mermaid tail whatever color, pattern, whatever you want to do. It's your nails, it's your mermaid, so do you. That's what I did. And through the power of editing, we're done filling in all the nails. So now I'm gonna go in with this 5D gel. It's like a putty type business. I'll leave some linked in the description box so you guys can get some for yourself. But this is just gonna help you with your 3D textured designs. So I'm just wiping my liner brush through it and then trying to get a bead at the bottom of that liner brush, and then from where the tip is, I'm gonna start by putting some down and then going up and making that line thinner as I go. And then I'm going to go ahead and cure that and repeat. I'm going back over the part that I just did just to give it more texture, more dimension. I don't want it to be flat, so I am going to be building it up a little bit. So I'm just going back over it and curing immediately after. And then for the complete shell design, I didn't want to waste too much of my time doing it with a liner brush over and over, so I just squeezed the little tube onto the end and used my liner brush to form it and make it go how I wanted it to go. And then I'm going to cure that. And then do the same thing for the entire shell texture. This little tube is so useful because if I didn't have the tube, I would have to use a nail art brush. So this just makes it so much easier. Go ahead and put the putty on the nail and then use your nail art brush to clean it up and form it, shape it how you need it to go, and then pop it in the UV lamp. So this stuff is awesome. Highly recommend it for your texture designs. So moving on to the mermaid tail bling, I'm going in with my McCart rhinestone gel, and it's in this amazing little tube. Like, I love making my life easier. I don't know about you, but if I'm going to be putting full bling on something and having it in this little tube is just so much more convenient, because look at that. Like, that's just eliminating the step of a brush, just eliminating a step. It eliminates a step. So after I have the bling gel everywhere that I plan on putting the bling, I'm just gonna go in and do my favorite thing in the world, which is applying bling to nails. And I just have a few different complementary colors. So I'm just gonna go in and fill in the tail with the bling using different size stones, different colors to create the effect that I'm going for. And once I am happy with that, I'm gonna pop it into the lamp to cure. So now I'm just gonna go in with my Macart rhinestone gel and dab in the center of my V-tip, where I'm gonna be creating a little cluster with the seashell charm. Alright guys, and this is the finished look. If you're interested in picking up this design for yourself, this is Mermaid's Treasure on my website, and the products I use will be linked in the description box. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!